Hey guys, today we are gonna be playing Just to Impress. I guess I'll give her 3 stars. She looks kind of cute. Hey, hey, magic school is the thing. I'll give her 4. That's pretty cute, but it's not showing the magic much. She looks just like an enemy school girl, kind of. No, turn it down. Actually, I'm gonna stop recording. Bye.